I'll never play for them again. Murieta from Longer. 76-49, I say. He's the way he's seen it. Yesterday was just well, maybe he had something else to do. You know, and that's why this is all. He wants to play for it. And this is a fail on both sides of the bottom because you're the Clippers, okay? You really have to try and pull the trigger on this. But the 76ers, you have to understand that. All right, we're not going to get what we expected. All right, we wanted a first-round pick, off a first-round pick. We wanted a parent man, and they wanted a player to make the salary back, which is basically them saying we want you to bail us out of all of our problems involving Jay Carter. Like, that's a little bit too much. But here's funny. You guys too honest about this. Why does anybody want to get in the James Harden business? Why? You've seen him now many times where everything is the same. Where he plays,
I can go up to
and then there's a problem and he needs out and your team is falling apart, right? We saw that at the end in Houston. We saw it with Brooklyn Nets. We see it now with the 76ers. Everywhere he's been where this is identical, it's bad. Okay, here's the new start message. No, this is too bad, I gotta go. No, it's good. Why would you think suddenly, oh, it's gonna be different for me? I'll tell you the same thing. If the Clippers or whoever gets James Harden, it'll be okay for a little bit. We're expected to be the guy that he was 6 years ago. You want to look at the stats and go, we're getting James Harden. James Harden's not that guy. He's a complimentary player who still is pretty good at this ball. We're going to leave it at this last year. If you expect more getting him, you're not going to get it, and then things are going to go bad.
Oh, it's a
I can't James Harden away from him. I don't know anybody who wants to be in the James Harden business. They have to. Let's go out and get him. No, not even me. You would call the Knicks. We're going to get him too. I don't know why anybody thinks like, oh, we're James Harden away from doing something. Whether it's